Alone by the shore I hear the sound of the sea. It brings back the joys of home and childhood to me. Unceasing, unchanging, surging onwards to shore. Recalling the days and ways of long ago. My heart would remain where mind and longing find rest, where all is at peace in magic mists of the west, where folks lived and loved, where earth and heaven are free. There only remains the endless surge of the sea. Farewell to the glens our shieling memory gleams. Farewell to my isle, my sacred cradle of dreams. When peace comes to me, my only longing will be to lay me to rest beside the surge of the sea, to lay me to rest beside the surge of the sea.